How many of you used a website today to find information on something? If I had to guess, you've likely used some type of device 20, 30, maybe 100 times already today. Many of you used a keyboard to type, a mouse to navigate, or a microphone to record. And you found your way here to digital accessibility training. I know your to do list is long. You might even be wondering if you're in the right place. I assure you that you are. If you care about ensuring that your nonprofit website is inclusive for people of all abilities, you're in the right place. If you have questions, you think you're on the right track but want to be sure, or if you're curious about how accessibility impacts your organization, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, let's make sure we set a few objectives. Here's what I hope you'll learn today. I hope you'll learn why web accessibility matters and who it impacts. I want you to explore the assistive technologies and methods used by people with disabilities to access the web. And we want to learn how to discover the 7 common issues for web accessibility and how to correct them. Lastly, we'll understand how to test your website and what to do if your website does not meet accessibility standards. And let me introduce myself so you'll know why you can trust me to be your guide. I'm Andrea Shirey, owner and founder of 19 Design. I've spent the last several months studying website accessibility and best practices and putting it into practice on both my own website and the websites of my clients. I've had discussions with those living with different abilities and tested more than a dozen websites using screen readers and assistive devices. While I wouldn't consider myself a lifelong expert, I am devoted to lifelong learning and to ensuring that those who follow me also have access to this critical information. You can find all of my credentials, speaking experience, and certifications on my website. I spend my days running 19 Design, a digital marketing agency serving nonprofits and small businesses through custom website design and other digital marketing strategies, and running the Nonprofit Template Shop, an online resource for nonprofits who are tired of starting from scratch or just plain tired. So, enough about me. Let's get started.